look at a new concept car from the emerging Polestar brand. This is the Polestar 02. It's a design exercise. It's a breath of fresh air. It's an all-electric hardtop convertible. Polestar executives say this is a hero car for their brand. It's meant to give the public a taste of what the Polestar design team can achieve. A rigid chassis, tight body. It all comes together in a bonded aluminum platform, adapted from the Polestar 5, which was developed in-house by Polestar's research and development team in the United Kingdom. This 2+2 sports car has its own distinct character and displays Polestar's evolving design language. Polestar's design team says this car is a meeting point between technology and art, between precision and sculpture. They say the car's stance is determined but not too aggressive. The lines are muscular and aerodynamic. At the core of this design exercise is a philosophy of sustainability. Recycled polyester is the only material used for all the soft components of the interior. Foam, adhesive, 3D knit fibers, and non-woven lamination. The idea is to simplify recycling. Because this world is increasingly driven by social media, the Polestar 02 features an autonomous cinematic drone, which is integrated right behind the rear seats. The drone can be deployed and flown behind the car while it's moving. It can follow the car at speeds of up to 90 kilometers an hour while recording cinematic video. When finished, the drone returns to the car all on its own, and it's built to deliver true sports car handling. But most of all, it shows what this new electric car company, Polestar, can do. Rick Walker, SST, Car Show News.
Hey Ottawa! Right now get $25 off anything at DJ's Auto Service. That's right, $25 off an oil change, brake job, muffler repair or custom exhaust work, interior cleaning, any major or minor repair. Anything. It's a one-time, one-per-customer limited-time offer. Don't wait. Get into DJ's and get $25 off anything. 1359 Coker Street, Greeley, Ontario. Visit djsauto.ca.
Turn back the hands of time with antique Chevrolet parts. Since 1971, we've been sourcing parts from around the world to help you restore and maintain antique Chevs. No tail fins? We have your parts. Call us toll-free at 1-866-767-2787. Get help from a real person or go to antiquechev.com. Download a catalog, order online, delivered to your front door. Antique Chev, helping you turn back the hands of time.